I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream, but I'm gonna have you really screaming for this ice cream because it's keto and because it burns fat. Join me in the kitchen. Oh, and you'll never have to buy this again. The secret ingredient in our fat burning ice cream is goat cheese. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know we love goat cheese in here. It has 2 times MCT than that of cow's cheese. And what's so important about MCT? Well, it helps to keep us full. It increases the feeling of satiety, which helps to reduce hunger and weight loss. Now, the beauty of goat cheese that some people don't realize, it is more easily digestible than that of cow's cheese or cow's milk. It contains something called A2 casein, which is a form of protein that the body can, again, easily digest. So get to the store, buy that goat cheese. You can find it at your Walmart, your Kroger, your drug emporium. Already, we've added our 4 ounces of goat cheese in here. We have our cream cheese, and I know you saw that great value package. Well, guess what? That's over at the Walmart. I have 4 ounces of it in there. You can kind of see we're a casual kitchen. My husband kind of walked into the back, and we're going to add the, pretty much the blueberry ice cream, which is our bag of our frozen blueberries. Now, of course, I got this at Walmart because you see that great value. Now, before you go and run and write nasty comments like, oh my gosh, blueberries a fruit and I can't have it because I'm keto. Remember, a half a cup is about 8 grams of carbs. 1 to 2 grams of fiber. So the net carb comes in at 6, and I'm gonna get asked the question in the comment section. So I'm answering it now. So if you ask it, shame on you. You deserve to have your little handout with a little smack on it. You can, yes, use your strawberries, you can use your raspberries, but I want you to make sure they are frozen because that's what gives us this ice cream feel. Why did I use blueberries? Well, right now they're cheaper. Y'all know I'm born on the bayou. Y'all know my expression is bougie on a bayou. Look, gang, I am cheap. I was raised shelling peas. I had the fan on at my grandma or mama's house watching Young and the Restless. Comment below if you know who Victor Newman is. Now, we're going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream to this. I only added about 1/4 of a cup. You could probably get away with using a little bit less if you want kind of more of that harder product. And then we added our sweetener, which is Swerve. Now, I love Swerve. Swerve is pantry friendly. It's a New Orleans product. It's non-GMO. It's great on the digestive system. I always find mine at Drug Emporium. It tends to be the cheaper product. And again, folks are going to ask me about monk fruit. Go ahead, compare the price. Use which one works for you. We only did 1/4 of a cup, so we're not adding a bunch of this. I cannot stand too much of our sugar replacer because I feel like I always can get an icky aftertaste. We're going to pulse this on low. You pulse it till it's really, really smooth, has a great consistency. And gang, that's really it. It's a beautiful product. And if you missed the recipe because you were too busy giggling and maybe thinking about the Young and the Restless, scroll in the comments and also scroll in the comment section so that you can download your free low carb menu. And of course, gang, if you love this video, give it a like, give it a share, be sure to subscribe. And oh yeah, one more thing. You're going to want to see how you can make a fat burning pizza crust. Click over on that video. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.